10 years ago, Eyad al-Gharib was working for the Syrian intelligence services. Now he's starting a lengthy prison sentence in Germany. The prosecution said that in 2011 he knowingly brought dozens of protesters to a notorious jail outside Damascus to be tortured. His defense lawyer said he feared being punished himself if he refused to carry out his orders. The court in Koblenz rejected that, convicting him and jailing him for 4.5 years.
This is
the first step. The road to justice is long, and one of the goals is to bring Bashar al-Assad and his inner circle before a court. This is a relief, but it's also not the end. It's only the beginning.
This is the first trial of alleged atrocities carried out by the forces of President Bashar al-Assad. As such, lawyers for the victims in this case hope it will set a precedent.
What's important is we have a verdict that crimes by the Assad government in the secret prisons are crimes against humanity. This is the first verdict worldwide.
A view that seems to be shared by many in government in Berlin. Another element that distinguishes this case is that the German justice system has prosecuted, convicted and punished a non-German whose victims were not German for crimes that were committed outside Germany. In doing so, prosecutors have invoked the principle of universal jurisdiction for such serious crimes.
Trials outside Syria are a glimmer of hope, but also a clear signal to victims that we and the international community recognize it's an issue which not only concerns Germany, but many of our partners too. The signal to victims is that justice will be done.
Eyad al-Gharib stood trial alongside another former member of the Assad forces. Both men had left Syria and come to Germany as refugees. The second man, Anwar Raslan, was a senior intelligence officer in 2011. He's accused of multiple murder, rape, torture and other serious offences. He denies the charges and his case continues. Dominic Kane, Al Jazeera, Berlin.